Lots and lots of bird noises this morning. I can tell you what some of them are. That sort of screeching is the cockatoos. They're very loud. And the slightly more sort of tweety, up high kind of sounds, if you can hear those, are the lorikeets. There's a rainbow lorikeet. He's actually perched just there, but unfortunately my camera is not picking up his colours very well because he's all backlit. Can you see him? There he is. That little blurry blob just there. And we did have some kookaburras a little while ago. Oh, that one, the sort of very tuneful one, is a magpie. And we've got some bush turkeys around, but they don't actually tend to make all that much noise. Cockatoo. Oh, I can see them now. They're down that way. Great big white pterodactyls that they are. But yeah, I'm getting better at my bird sounds, but still got quite a bit of stuff to learn. Yeah, so that tweeting sound that's sort of over there that way, that's the lorikeets. It's noisy here in the national park this morning.